What if I told you our world has already come close to ending? Not once, but many times. Not myths, not prophecies. Real moments when humanity stood on the edge of oblivion and somehow survived. These are the times the world almost ended, but didn't. Keycap 1. The Toba supervolcano eruption. 75,000 years ago, the Earth nearly froze. A single eruption in Indonesia blasted so much ash into the sky that sunlight dimmed for years. Humanity's population dropped to just a few thousand, one volcanic breath away from extinction. Keycap 2. The Cuban Missile Crisis. October 1962. The world held its breath. U.S. and Soviet nukes were armed, leaders ready to strike. One wrong message, one nervous finger, and the Cold War would have ended in nuclear fire. Keycap 3. The 1918 Spanish flu pandemic. Long before COVID-19, another invisible killer swept the globe. It infected 500 million people, more than the population of the Earth at the time. For a while, it looked like humanity might simply run out of humans. Keycap for the Chelyabinsk meteor explosion. In 2013, a rock the size of a building entered Earth's atmosphere unnoticed. It exploded over Russia, with 30 times the energy of Hiroshima. If it had hit just a few minutes later, it would have flattened a city of 1 million people. Keycap 5. The solar storm of 1859, the Carrington event. A solar flare so powerful it set telegraph wires on fire. If it happened today, it would wipe out satellites' power grids and the internet in seconds. The sun could end civilization without even touching us. Keycap 6. The ice age that almost stayed forever. 12,000 years ago, Earth began to thaw, but not easily. For reasons still debated, the planet suddenly plunged back into a mini ice age. Had it lasted just a few centuries longer, human civilization might never have begun. Keycap 7. The Black Death. In the 14th century, 1/3 of Europe vanished. Cities turned silent, fields turned wild, and religion, science, and art all cracked under the weight of loss. The plague nearly reset human history, yet from its ashes, the modern world was born. Keycap 8. The computer error that almost triggered WWII. 1983. Soviet radar showed U.S. nukes incoming. Protocol demanded immediate retaliation. But one man, Stanislav Petrov, decided not to press the button because something didn't feel right. He was right. It was a false alarm. One decision saved the planet. Keycap 9. The Large Hadron Collider Fear. In 2008, scientists built the world's most powerful machine, and rumors spread that it could create a black hole. Spoiler, it didn't. But the fear itself revealed how easily human imagination turns science into apocalypse. Keycap 10. The near-miss asteroid of 2019 OK. It came closer than the moon, and no one saw it coming until it passed. Astronomers called it a city killer. A few degrees off, and the world's headlines that day would have been our last. Humanity has danced with extinction more times than we can count, from nature's fury to our own mistakes. And yet, every time, something or someone pulled us back. Maybe survival isn't luck. Maybe it's the one thing we've always been built for.